App for recording music on Android. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the best app for recording music on your phone. So please keep watching until the end. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Voloco. This app is the best app for recording music. So all what you have to do is download this app and you will find many features that will help you to record, like auto tune and many other options. It's actually very good and I tried it and I loved it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.